These are my original graphics that's on here, and I'm going to change them out with some BRM Offroad Graphics. And I'll just show you what I'm coming up with, and then I will send it to BRM Offroad Graphics and let them work their magic and make the graphics like I want. My racing number this year is going to be triple nickel 555, and so I'm going to have my name and number put on there. I do run AMSOIL in this. I'm an AMSOIL dealer. I'm going to have AMSOIL here. I have a cycle business called Smith's ATV and Cycle, where I take used motorcycles and ATVs apart and put them on eBay. And then I've got my YouTube channel, Arkansas Backroad Adventures. I have no artistic skills at all, so you can see I have taken pictures of this and I have sent to BRM Offroad Graphics for them to turn this into something. But here I've got Smith's ATV and Cycle for the rear fender, but I'm going to change that up. I had another company that sells beta, which I bought this beta used, but I'm going to buy all my parts through them on my beta parts. It's going to be Baxley's ATV, motorcycle and ATV. And then on the front here, I'm going to have my YouTube channel, Arkansas Backroad Adventures, and have my QR code and the logo, YouTube logo. And then right here is going to be an Arkansas Razorback. I'm trying to make this look kind of like they do on the Red Bulls, on the Ducati dirt bikes. I love how the Red Bull comes in through here on both sides. So, like I say, I have no artistic skills, and to draw that out to make it look halfway decent, I couldn't. So I had a Razorback I could put on there to show BRM Offroad what I wanted. And then on the front forks here, I'm going to have them graphics up instead of having that, since I don't run any liquid moly or SKF or anything. We're going to have the Arkansas Backroad Adventures logo, have AMSOIL on there, and then BRM Offroad Graphics on there. They've done all of my graphics for me. But that's how we're going to do this. And you've probably seen in the past, this is one of them that BRM Offroad Graphics done for me. They done my Yamaha Tenere for me on here. But yeah, if you need any graphics, graphics on here. The beta though is one of the hardest ones I've ever had to put graphics on. The reason why the beta, on their fenders, there's just a lot of curves and stuff in it. So just trying to get the graphics to fit inside these curves and everything was very challenging, but we got it. It's not completely perfect, but we got the best we could on there. Started with the front fender. I want to do my YouTube channel, Arkansas Backroad Adventures. So they done that for me, and just to show that we do YouTube. Razorbacks on there for me, and they done the Razorbacks on both sides for me. And then we done my logo. I do adventure riding here on my Yamaha Tenere 700, and that's a lot of my YouTube channel's about. And just wanted to do the logo on there for my YouTube channel there, Arkansas Backroad Adventures. And then that's gonna be my racing number, triple nickel 555. And then we done the logo there. I have a eBay business where I sell used ATV and motorcycle parts on eBay. And that is, it's called Smith's ATV and Cycle. Put that on there. And I'm also an Amsoil dealer, so I want to put Amsoil on there. And then that's the rest of the shroud right there. I do have a larger tank on here for racing, so I can make it through the races without having to keep refueling. And then back here is just the splatter we done on there with the red and blue. And then back sleeves in Benton, Arkansas. Woo! Wait, got the flat grip. Man, I keep making mistakes. Woo! Well, we finally got the graphics on. I really think it turned out looking really good. I love the holographic graphics on here.